Do you want to lose weight? And do you want to lose weight fast? You're in the right place. This is my whole little playlist of all my little tips and tricks and short videos on how you can improve your weight loss and reach your weight loss goals. All right, here we go. So today we're going to talk a little bit about tracking, and I don't want people to get too crazy with this because it's not about getting too crazy. It's just about having more awareness. We all need to have more awareness. We're in busy days. We got things coming at us all over the place. We got texts coming in. We got emails coming in. We got work to do, all these other kind of things. We need to have a little more awareness about what we're doing with our own body so that we're having health. Okay? And so this one's going to be, once again, about food. In the past, I've talked about how to, have little check marks and checking off to see how you're doing with tracking your real food and your processed food and getting your processed food cut down. Well, this is going to be finding and using a little app. Okay, so there's apps out there that you can enter in your food intake for the day, and it will give you some numbers. Okay, and I don't like to get too crazy with this, but it's great to have some awareness. Okay, so there's an app out there called MyFitnessPal. There's another one that I really like called Cronometer. That's Cronometer. Okay. And I like that one because it actually breaks down some nutrients, some vitamins and minerals and things like that you're actually consuming. Because if you're not consuming enough vitamins and minerals, your body's not going to function very well. We have to remember that nutrition is what your body wants, not calories. The calories just come with the nutrition. But your body really needs the nutrition, the vitamins, the minerals, the proteins, the fats. Okay? Those are the things that it really needs, the building blocks of every cell in your body. And the vitamins and the minerals to run the system that makes all of those cells burn energy and do all of the things that they're supposed to do, like detoxify the body and the liver and bring some oxygen into the body and create red blood cells so that you can function and have lots of energy. Okay? So it's really great. So go check out these apps and put your food in there. This is something that I do from time to time just to see. And lots of people talk about, oh, how do you have so much energy? And you always seem like, you're always, full of energy and you got, ready to go and all this kind of stuff. Well, when I put my food intake into one of these apps and I start looking at the vitamin and mineral breakdown, my B12 levels that I put in every day is 200% higher than what they recommend. And B12 is one of our vitamins that gives us energy and allows our thyroid to go and our metabolism to go and things like that. I'm not supplementing my B12. I'm focusing on eating my real foods, and eating my real foods gives me all of that nutrition to where my body can function properly. It's very, very important, okay? So check out one of those apps, start putting in your food in there and see what comes back, okay? Don't be too crazy about, the caloric values. Some of those, I think the ones kind of give me a higher caloric value that I should be eating every day than I really think. But it's, once again, have awareness and pay attention to you, okay? So make sure to subscribe, check out the whole playlist, watch them all, okay? Put your comments down below and your questions down below if you have them. And I hope you all have a happy and healthy day tracking your food, and I'll see you in the next video.